you guys might have heard us talk about it in some recent videos, but we have a no prep race series that we hold at our local racetrack, and it's time for Clayton to get his car ready because he actually has a $500 grudge race coming up at our first event off the trailer, first round. So we're headed down to Mexico right now. It's gonna be a long trip, but we'll be there tomorrow. It'll be about the same time tomorrow, so we'll check back in when we're there. We made it, guys. It's about 24 hours later, but we're in Mexico. Somehow it worked out. We gotta do this quickly though, because even Mexican authorities don't appreciate this kind of shit.
You want me to put the water out right here? Right on this? In the middle of it. In the middle of the road, all straight over here? You want me to just go across?
Pretty straight, kind of straight. Bit of tire spinach, but it kept going. I guess that's the thing with the slicks. It was definitely spun the tires a bit.
Yeah, I mean, it spun. No, it still went, you know. Cool.
It did spin, but this is like a piece of shit road in Mexico, so I mean, I don't know, it still kept going forward. Like I said, those slicks, that's the benefit of the slick over the radial, the recovery. It'll spin, but it'll keep trying, whereas the radial, once you lose it, it's kind of just gone. So that was pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, I wasn't expecting it to.
How much air pressure do you have in the tires?
14.
I guess it's a stiff sidewall, right? So slide better a little bit more.
Yeah, I don't know.
Definitely spun, but it kept going.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's fun, but yeah, the motor didn't shoot up in our RPM or anything.
Yeah.
Like, it didn't really smoke a bunch.
Smoke tires or?
Like,
well,
once you did the one you left, it didn't like smoke a bunch. It spun, but it didn't like.
It was just going.
That's what the slick's supposed to do. Oh, it's been a couple years since I did that, so that feels pretty good. And then on the way back there, I figured, well, there's a line of water there still. But what the
Yeah.
I
hell?
was thinking the same thing.
I felt the tire spin and then grab right away.
I was thinking that too, and I'm like, oh, it stays in the middle. It's burnt off already. So.
First two cars down the track is going to be fucking interesting too. That's also why I'm going to leave the launch RPM because the track's going to be cold. Well, the sun will be on it.
Depends on the weather too. If it's hot all day, like say today, it might not be terrible, right?
Everybody seen this old girl before?
Yeah, but if you haven't, it's a 347 inch.
348.
348.
It's a.
Well, you tell us.
It's a 4125 bore, 3250 stroke, aftermarket block, R block, with a set of mildly ported, smooth, and 351 cast iron cylinder heads. They're actually a really good head, 10-degree valve angle. They flow pretty good, but they're really heavy.
10 degree.
10 degree.
The space shuttle, I think, has 10 degree heads.
It's almost like they were used on a NASCAR at some point or
Yeah,
something.
exactly.
No, they were just a dirt NASCAR head, claimer type head. I think the castings are like $800 or something.
Ported by the #1 head porter in NASCAR.
Jack Roush
No,
himself.
they were ported locally.
If you look closely, there's like a little, you know, that hat he wears. It's engraved in the cylinder head. It's his signature.
Well, it was, Yates and Larry Lackey.
There you go.
Roush was not part of the deal.
But it's a street car. It is a
Allegedly.
street car, allegedly. Has been for many years. Clayton's got the slicky tires on there now for this little no prep thing, but
Should have brought that reducer.
still got the interior and stuff. Clayton owned this car when it was stock and took it all the way to this point himself, so.
Well, fuck, I don't want to use that on a tire though.
No.
We were thinking about making some pimp juice, which you would use this MEK for.
Well, it's half MEK and then some alcohol, right?
Yeah, I think
And some traction compound, or
yeah.
I don't even know.
I mean, they all have their different ways they do it, I guess.
Turbo.
I'm like water burnout only guy. I'm
You got those turbo envelopes from Walmart on sale.
Well, when I met Mike, he bugged me for a long time about these because they look like they're from our local like
Walmart.
Canadian Tire.
Canadian Tire / whatever. But it's actually an old Ford style emblem, I guess, when the 2.3s were turbo. So
It's legit.
Pro charger on it?
with a Pro Charger.
Yeah.
So you think this thing's ready for the big race?
I think it's more now than I was an hour ago. Didn't change anything, but it was sitting for a while.
Big boost without going pop, 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 pop on the carburetor, so that was good.
Wow. I haven't done that for a while.
I don't know, it's been so long that I don't remember.
It's been a year and a half.
It's a long time.
This car's been at the track since before yours was, so
I don't think so.
wasn't it?
I doubt that. When's the
Yeah.
first time you raced it? When it had the...
Have you had your car at the track since before?
Oh, you mean in the, like, lately you're saying?
Well, yeah.
No, I haven't had it in the track in a while.
There you go.
The Nova's next though,
I
guys.
retire from racing.
Yeah, well,
I choose not to race.
post in the comments what you guys think about
I
that.
don't care what they say.
Well, Rob and I, if any of the people remember, were supposed to race grudge race this year.
That was you that said that. I never said that.
Well, I was going to race myself.
You never. I never said, "Hey, yeah, this is right."
Yeah,
you
you're all
said that.
called
You
me
said,
a
"Oh,
pussy."
it's a trailer, blah blah blah." I said, "No,
Call me a fat idiot.
my car's not fast enough. Anyways, it's slow. It's just a stock 5.3. Can't compete with these race car things."
So if you guys are local, make sure to come out June 1st, Interlake Dragway. This car and a bunch of others.
7 p.m. start?
7 p.m. Food available at the concession, $5 to get in. You can camp if you like.
You can't watch racing anywhere that cheap. You
Yeah.
can't watch horse races for that cheap.
And if you have a car that you want to compete in, that's also pretty cheap for the limited street small tire. That's what we're calling it this year. For that class, it's $40 to get in, and then $60 is the buy-in, and that all goes into a pot. And first place takes it all. So some money on the line, and I mean it is a no prep, so anything's possible. You definitely don't have to have something like this to be able to compete and have fun.